Hello Leticia, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2011 Kia sold for you. These vehicles we sell as is, and it's manual transmission. The kilometers of this vehicle is 187,213, and price, as I said, is 288 plus HST and licensing. Inside is a cloth interior. You do have a power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You do have a cruise control, and also you have a sunroof. The vehicle is clean, and if you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.